风情
Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情每日一课语。
Hey, what's up? It's time for Practical Hakka on ICRT.
Hello， 你好，大家好，我是 Alice Pong。
Hello, 你好，大家好，我是 Josephine。
就是你有试过吉姜吗？
吉姜哦，当然有啊，我还吃过辣吉姜哎。
是哦，那是改变了那个口味。
我们上个月还在教这个哦，那真的很好吃，沾什么都还不错这样子。
给牛排啊，然后猪肉啊，
是，
对呀，
所以这都来自于什么荆棘嘛，对不对 ？Okay, so let's teach you how to say kumquat. That's 荆棘。Gimgit, which by the way is the source of a great Hakka sauce. We'll get to that, but first of all, it is the season for kumquat. 所以现在是荆棘产期。
呀哈嘿
，Gimgit嘅，出散期。出产期的意思，出散期 which means it is the time for it to be produced vastly, okay? 然后刚刚有講嘛，荆棘可以做成好吃的吉醬。Kumquat can be made into some delicious kumquat sauce.
金桔做得做，好食嘅吉醬。
We all hear that a lot. 好食 that means 好吃 very delicious. 吉醬 that's kumquat sauce. There you go. Let's review all these phrases, including 產期.
出散期
that means the production time is right now. And then you can make it into kumquat sauce, 吉醬.
吉醬
And it's all made from kumquat, 荆棘.
金桔
And there you have it, another round of great, fruitful, practical Hakka on ICRT.
什麼大家？
漢字say張來了。
客家风情由客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.